Alright, good morning YouTubers. What I'm doing today, I'm going to work on putting a new starter in my sawmill. I suspect that it's the starter that's causing me to have difficult starts. As you've seen in my previous videos, when I go to start it, it like tries to start and then it stops, and then it goes on and tries to start, and I really think that it could be the starter, so I bought a new starter for it. We're going to try it. I probably could test the starter to see, but that starter's 29 years old, so I think it's time to get a new one. So anyway, I'm going to disconnect the battery right now, and so we don't get injured or burn anything out. Okay, cover's off, and let's get into the disconnecting the positive terminal. Okay, positive done. Now, well, that's all I can do here. Now I want to go up top. I want to start tearing things out up there. Okay, I'm back. Can't find my magnet bowl. I don't know what I ever did with that. We just have to be careful we don't lose our stuff here. Okay, that's taken care of. Now I'm going to put the screws back in where they belong so I don't lose them. Got a feeling I'm going to have a lot of bolts laying around if I don't do this. Okay, now drive belts off. Alright, I don't know if we're going to be able to see that or not. But anyway, there's a blue wire that hooks to our connector, and then we got our battery terminal and alternator that hooks to the starter. So we're going to take that apart now. Alright, I don't know, I don't think I'm going to film all of this because I really can't get a camera angle where you can see what I'm doing, so I think I'm just going to wait till I'm ready to pull the starter out, and I'll come back to you and explain what I did. And But for now, I'll get back to you. Alright, I'm back. I got the front shroud loose. I think it's loose enough I can get the starter out, but I'm taking the bolts out of the starter right now. It takes a 1/2 inch wrench. Hey, good news. They turn. At least that one does. Might have an issue with this one. The oil dipstick pipe, or filler pipe, is in the way. Might have to remove it. I hope not. Oh boy. Always one. There it goes. Oh, good. Ah, boy. All right, got that stuff out. The bolt should slide out. Ah, and it won't come out. Well, I don't know. See if we can get the other one out. Might not have to take the bolt the whole way out. I hope not. Well, it's free. See what happens. Bravo, I got it. There it is. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, here's the new one. At a quick glance, it looks identical. Yes, it is identical. Wow. Glad to see that. I am confused about something, huh? How can these bolts have stayed in the engine and I got the starter out? Huh, I'll have to check that out. I don't know. What the heck? Oh, I see how. Okay, the bolts thread into this part. They don't go through and into something. They thread into this. Okay. That explains it. Okay, well, I'm going to put this back in. Back to you later. Alright. Believe it or not, I think I have those bolts started. I hope. That was really... No, I don't have them started. No, not even close. Alright. Back to the drawing board. Alright. I think they're started. I'm tightening the bolts up now to the starter. They seem to be. Okay, that looks like it went in. They went in. And they're tight. Okay. Well, the starter's in. Now all I have to do is hook the wires back up. And this project will be over. That sounds too easy. I'm skeptical. It's going way too easy. So we'll take the blue wire, hook it onto the terminal. Got a lock washer there. Can't get a hold of. Yeah, gonna be a problem. Be right back. Alright, I got the little rascal, the little lock washer off. Now put the cables on. Okay, and this is a stainless nut. It's supposed to be. Okay, that's it. Electrical's up. Starter's in. Now all I have to do is hook up my tin, and I'll be ready to start it, hopefully. Back to you a little bit. Well, we got the tin back on the other side. Didn't bother videoing it. It's pretty boring stuff. Now we got to put this cover back on after I get the belt hooked up. Okay. Alright, that looks good. Sorry about my arms getting in the way, I just don't have another angle. Now, get the ratchet. Need extension for that. Okay, that should do it. It's all over now but to try. See if it works. Well, I gotta hook the battery up. I'm not going to film that either. I'll get back when I'm ready to start it. Okay, there we go. It's the moment of truth. I better check the oil first. Make sure. I don't know if that's showing up, but